So we've just left Vina Del Mar and we're going to go back in a minute, but I just wanted to show you where we were here. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning and this beach is just phenomenal. I can see Vina Del Mar from here. The access is here. You want to come down and see what this beach has to offer? Beautiful St. Pete Beach, Pass-A-Grille. Come on down. Beautiful summer day. Many people walk down here for sunset and just sit here and you greet your friends. Beautiful wide beach. A short walk down to the Don Cesar behind me. I'm heading up to the Pass-A-Grille. A little paradise grill up there, but there's nothing like this beautiful, beautiful sandy beach. Miles of it all along St. Pete Beach here. So many ways you can access it and enjoy it, but we're talking about my Vina Del Mar beach home. Oh, I love the seagrass. Beautiful. Okay, we're right up here. Here's 21st Avenue, just steps. Got the Don Cesar here. Let's head over to the island just along 21st Avenue. That's the only access to Vina Del Mar. All right, here we are at the wharf right at the end of 20th Avenue in Pass-A-Grille, looking out to Shell Island. Great history here of the wharf back in the the beginning of bird's eye fish fingers all started here. The tip of Pinellas County, and here's Vina Del Mar, so you can just walk down to the wharf and enjoy lots of fun activities are available here with these speedboats. You can go out, hire a speedboat for the day. So much happening. The marina has beautiful, you can leave your yacht here and live up here and never have to worry about it. It's very protected water. So this is the island of Vina Del Mar, my Vina Del Mar beach home. Come and join us here in beautiful Pass-A-Grille. Pass-A-Grille Way intersection. And there's the bridge to Vina and sea critters. Oh, I love it. Let's head over to the back of the bridge. All right. There's the other side of the wharf here. Great old restaurant. Look at it, so much character. Every window you've got a water view and you can pull up your boat there, and now we're at Sea Critters. Love eating here, sitting on the wharf underneath the bridge. The fish are just buzzing at night here. Under the Vina Del Mar Bridge, I'm actually looking underneath it to Mar Street. Beautiful property, just under contract there. 2162 West Vina, and you're looking across onto 21st Avenue. Really deep protected water. Heading out to the open bay. Here's this boat coming in and cruising. This little part is the slow speed, but definitely a part of the intracoastal waterway. The southern tip of Pinellas County, looking over to Terra Verde. Notice how elevated Vina Del Mar is. It used to be called Mud Key. We'll go over across the road there and I'll show you a little beach area. There's lots. It's a great island for boating. If you're on the open water, you could even leave your boat here at the marina in a protected avenue, or you can just bring your boat up here to the restaurant every night or kayak. beautiful. We're right at the other end of Vina Del Mar. There's two little islands actually that make Vina Del Mar, and we're on Isle Drive looking up to the park, the Vina Del Mar Park. Looking over to Julia Circle. Very protected, deep water right here. A lot of people, as you're in the far back part of the island, a lot of people have their golf carts. Bicycles and walking are still permitted on this beautiful island where people greet each other. So we just passed the west, now we're looking north to where the bridge is and the east end, or the north end of Vina Del Mar Boulevard. So this is the beautiful, quiet part of Vina. Very safe, very secure. Just leaving 21st Avenue, lovely long-term seasonal rental that's available. It's a second home also. This is a part of the original sand. This sand has been here since the island was developed in the late 70s. And we just head out. You can paddleboard out here. There's children playing. It's summer afternoon here on Vina Del Mar, looking over to the marina and the wharf and sea critters. A lot of seaweed in summer, but that's okay. Beautiful island of Vina Del Mar. It's just tropical, it's elevated. Come and join us here, right behind Pass-A-Grille. Beautiful elevated island, once called Mud Key. Okay, sitting on the bridge here at Vina. I love it. You just have to stop here. Mandatory. Sit on the bridge or stop your car in the middle of the bridge. It's unbelievable. Looking down to the Don Cesar. The Intracoastal goes right down here. Just nice quiet boating. Of course, Sea Critters is just under this bridge. I'm looking at the Gulf. This is the only access to Vina Del Mar Island, a residential community on beautiful St. Pete Beach, often considered a part of Pass-A-Grille, but it's definitely a different type of home. It's a residential community. Pass-A-Grille is a mixture, having such a long history. We're looking right down to the southern part of the southern islands, Sand Key, and the Gulf access. Fantastic for paddleboarding. Some people just paddleboard every day around the island, especially in winter. There's where we were this morning on the beach. So tune in anytime to PassAGrilleHomes.com to see what's available here, and my Vina Del Mar Beach home will show you exactly what's for sale on the island of Vina Del Mar, which is very, right now is very thin, very popular island. Everyone wants to live here. People are looking for a walking community. This is it, 25 minutes from the airport. Non-stop access. If we look down there, you'll see the bridge, access to St. Pete Beach. I can just see it over there. Yeah, this is the little hidden corner of St. Pete Beach. Great island living. Come and join us today.